What's up, OMG Nation? So today I'm going to get straight into it. It's a review on the Pera Bare Bones Seats. Bam! This is Pera's lowest profile seat. It's on my 2006 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. It gives it a sleek look. It's comfortable. It's made out of marine grade vinyl. It has 3 attachment points. One here, one there, and one right over here. I have been riding with this seat for going on about 2.5 years now. It cost me a couple $100. I have been extremely satisfied with the look. I get compliments on it all the time. To me, it is more comfortable than the stock seat. I've taken this thing on 3-hour rides in one direction and not had any more issues than I ever had out of my stock seat, where your tailbone gets a little bit sore. Even handling bumps, it's not that bad at all. If you were to ask me, I would say that this seat is an absolute winner. Number one, it makes your bike look cleaner, lower. You know, my Fat Boy's been lowered, and then I put this Pera Bare Bones seat on it, which my stock seat was huge and thick. When I have a passenger on my bike, I put on a suction cup passenger seat. I'll do a review on that one later and tell you all about it. On a scale from 1 to 10, I'm giving this Pera Bare Bones seat an easy 10. I would buy it again. I would buy any of their products again based off the experience I had with this seat, and a super easy install. I installed it myself, if you believe that. So today had to be a quick video. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone.